Here are some Amazon gadgets for the week, a must-have by everyone today. Introducing the Ninja Swirl Soft Serve Machine. Your all-in-one dessert maker for creamy soft serve, milkshakes, and frozen treats at home. With customizable toppings, swirl perfection, and easy cleaning, Ninja Swirl brings the ice cream shop experience to your kitchen. Perfect for families, parties, and dessert lovers who crave delicious frozen creations. Anytime. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to grow faster on your channel.
Turn almost anything into ice cream with the Ninja Creami. Creamify technology transforms frozen bases into super creamy treats in a matter of minutes. Just pick a program and let the specially designed dual-sided creamerizer paddle shave thin layers and churn ice crystals into rich, creamy treats. Creamify Technology's dual-drive motors automatically adjust the speed, time, and downward pressure of the paddle for each program. So you get a perfectly textured, frozen, creamy treat, customizable with your favorite mixes that only the Ninja Creami can give you. Scoop, and enjoy.
Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to grow faster on your channel. Unleash the power of the Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. Designed with 1000 watts of professional performance power to crush ice, blend smoothies, and create creamy frozen drinks in seconds. With a sleek design, XL 72 ounces pitcher, and total crushing technology, this blender is a must-have for kitchens that love speed, convenience, and quality. Perfect for smoothies, frozen treats, sauces, and more. Take your blending to the next level with Ninja. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to grow faster on your channel.
This TV is winning awards. Introducing the new LG G5 OLED TV, an entertainment marvel. The latest Alpha 11 AI processor Gen 2 upscales visuals to 4K quality, with stunning colour and 3 times brighter visuals than a normal OLED. The G5 has 100% colour volume and 100% colour fidelity certified, meaning you can enjoy accurate, vibrant colours on a reflection-free screen even in sunlight or dark environments. And check this out, with the inbuilt AI chatbot, you don't have to know the technical jargon or search for confusing settings to get the best out of your TV. Simply hold the AI button on the magic remote and tell the chatbot what you want. And it's not just for watching your favourite Netflix show. Dolby Vision and Ambient Filmmaker Mode detects your surroundings and automatically adapts the settings to keep the visuals as close as possible to their original form, so you can watch movies as the director intended. With all this and more, we're left wondering, what can't it do?
Experience the future of gaming with the all-new Nintendo Switch 2. Faster, sleeker, and more powerful than ever. Enjoy stunning 4K visuals, improved battery life, and seamless gameplay at home or on the go. Dive into the next generation of Nintendo magic. Your wish is our desire, and we will give you the value of your time. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to grow faster on your channel. Step into the future with the Xreal Air 2 Pro AR glasses, your ultralight, next-gen augmented reality eyewear. Experience cinematic displays, immersive gaming, and productivity like never before. All in a stylish, portable design. Perfect for work, play, and everything in between. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to grow faster on your channel.